So right now we are seeing some storms that are in the northern part of the state with a lot of lightning. There is actually a severe thunderstorm warning. This is north of 20 right now, so that is going to be causing them some storms. But for us here in the Concho Valley, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for all of us until about midnight tonight. So as we go into the rest of our evening, we'll see some potential for the severe thunderstorms. That's why it's a watch right now, because we do have all the right ingredients to see some of these storms get a lot stronger. Right now, we're seeing one entering Reagan County that's actually lost strength. It's been cutting across. It had a little bit more lightning with it, but we'll keep an eye because we'll see some more things further south that are going to start popping up along I-10. As we go into tonight, we're seeing this one. Quite a bit of strength with it, with a lot of lightning. So those are the things to keep an eye out for, is the lightning. We're going to see some hail with some of these storms and stronger winds and more rainfall in the storms that are going to be pushing through tonight. This is going to be the first wave, but before we got into the clouds and seeing all of this moisture coming back to our area, we actually got to 80s for highs today. So it was a very warm day, which is going to be adding some of that energy to the atmosphere for some of these storms. So with warm temperatures, we are going to see some of those stronger storms that are pushing through tonight. So slowly going to be cooling off. 77 right now, overcast clouds, and we're going to continue to see plenty of warm air. That's why we'll have that energy for severe thunderstorms to be popping up. You want to be weather aware as we go into tonight. We will have a break tomorrow morning, but then it comes back again on Wednesday night. So we have two pretty active nights that are going to be coming up. So severe weather outlook is putting us right now in the slight risk for the Concho Valley. So that is why we do have that severe thunderstorm watch in effect for us, because we're going to be seeing those as we go through the rest of our evening, cooling off only into the mid-50s. So plenty of energy in that atmosphere. And then tomorrow morning, we do get a break from these storms, but they're going to be coming back again for the evening and overnight hours. Still plenty of energy. 78 for highs tomorrow, so warm air going to be back with us. We're going to see those storms coming through. We actually do have an enhanced risk for the northern part of the Concho Valley. It's kind of from Ballinger, actually just barely gets here in San Angelo and Mertzon, and then out towards Big Lake. So that's where we're seeing an enhanced risk. So we're going to have to keep an eye out for some of those severe thunderstorms, and then slight risk for the rest of the Concho Valley. So what we're seeing tonight with those strong severe thunderstorms pushing through, potentially we are going to see that again Wednesday night and overnight. So definitely want to have that radar nearby. Keep your phone charged, because we're looking here at 7. We'll start to see some of those storms that I'll be pushing through into very late tonight. We're looking at 10. It's going to be quite a bit of rainfall for a lot of those areas that are seeing storms that are going to be moving through. But then by 6 o'clock on Wednesday morning, we're going to be seeing it break from the rain chances and give us a little bit of a breather before we see some more storms on Wednesday night. This is looking pretty late right now. At 8 o'clock, some light showers are going to start to pop up. More of the energy, though, for Wednesday night's event is going to be early Thursday morning and overnight. So right now, look at 3 o'clock in the morning. A lot of people are going to be asleep, but you still want to be conscious of some of these storms that are going to be pushing through overnight and into Thursday morning. But then for the end of Thursday, it's going to be dry. We're going to clear it out, and same thing for Friday. So we only have to get through 2 days and 2 nights of those storms. Now, accumulation for these 2 days, we're going to see at least 1 to 1.5 inches for a lot of the areas, and then 1 or 2 seeing 2 inches, a little bit more. We're going to see a lot more further south activity for them. So, you know, those areas that do have the potential for flooding, you want to keep an eye on those as we go through today, tonight, Wednesday night as well, with those storms potentially. So those next 2 days, you want to be weather aware, but then it'll start to clear back out on Friday and Saturday. Now Wednesday, since we are having storms, is because of a cold front. That's going to be bringing cooler air on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, actually going to have upper 50s by Saturday. But for tonight and Wednesday night, have that radar nearby and be weather aware as we see these storms and the potential for severe weather popping up